Hello everyone, myself Seshananda Sarangi. Welcome to my channel, The English Hub, makes English easy and lucid. In my last class, I carried out an exercise. Now in this video, I will also deal another exercise in which I will ask you to find out the nouns and say whether they are countables or uncountables. And this exercise is very important because if you want to be good in subject verb agreement, there is a chapter in each grammar portion, in each whether you are in high school or whether you are in college or whether you are preparing for the competitive exam, there is a chapter which is called agreement between subject and verb. To understand that chapter, you must have good knowledge about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. If I am able to know whether a noun is countable or uncountable, then my grammatical mistake will be less. Let's start. I have already written 5 sentences. In these 5 sentences, what you have to do? You have to find out the noun first of all. Then you have to say whether they are countables or uncountables. Let's start. The first sentence is children are playing in the garden. How many nouns are there? There are two nouns. One is children, another one is garden. So what do you think? Whether these are countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Both are countable nouns. Because we can have the plural form of both. Children is the plural form of child and garden can be gardens. So before going to find out countable or uncountable, you have to just ask yourself, are you able to make a noun singular to plural or plural to singular? If this sort of thing is happening, then you can say that is a countable noun. Let's start. The second sentence is I prefer tea instead of coffee. How many nouns are there? There are two nouns. One is tea, another one is coffee. Both are uncountable nouns. Because we cannot count tea and coffee. Then the third sentence is my mother uses butter to prepare cakes. How many nouns are there? There are three nouns. Mother, butter and cakes. Mother is countable noun. It is CN, countable noun. Butter is uncountable noun, UCN. And cakes is countable noun. Okay. The fourth sentence is we need some glue to fix the vase. How many nouns are there? There are two nouns. One is glue, another one is vase. Glue is uncountable noun. And vase is countable noun. Okay. The fifth sentence is driver must be careful. Drivers must be careful. How many nouns are there? There are two nouns. One is driver, another one is careful. So driver is countable noun and careful is uncountable noun. Here I just want to tell you that most of the abstract noun they are uncountables. Most of the collective nouns they are uncountables. Most of the material nouns, they are uncountables. Only common nouns that can be countable or that can be singular and plural. Sixth question is, the exercise on this website are interesting. How many nouns are there? There are two nouns, exercise and website. Exercise is uncountable, website is countable. Now, question number 7. Ram is a good boy. There are two nouns, Ram and boy. Boy is countable noun. What's about Ram? As Ram is a proper noun, so here you have to remember one thing. Proper nouns cannot be countable or uncountable. You have to just leave that. Proper nouns cannot be countable or uncountables. Name of a person, you cannot say whether that is countable or uncountable. That is only noun. Next, question number 8. Successful candidates will join the camp. There is two nouns, candidates and camp. Candidate is countable noun. Camp is uncountable noun. It can be countable. It depends upon the name of the camp. Okay, next. The waiters in this restaurant are very wise. How many nouns are there? 3 nouns. Waiters, restaurant, wise. Waiter is countable noun. Restaurant is countable noun. And wise is uncountable noun. Because wise in abstract noun. Some policemen, the last sentence is, some policemen are organizing road safety. So how many nouns are there? Policeman, road, traffic. Policeman is countable noun, road is uncountable noun, and traffic is uncountable noun. Okay, but one thing I want to say you that if I will use only police, it is uncountable. But if I am writing policeman, man, man, then it is countable. And its plural would be policeman, men, man. So you have to remember these things. So in this chapter, at last I just want to say you something which is very, very important. You have to remember there are 5 types of noun. I have said that: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Out of these, only common noun can be single, can be countable or uncountable. It means that we can divide common noun into 2 categories, countable and uncountable. Remaining all the nouns, it may be countable, may not be countable. It depends upon the situation. Remaining all the 4 types of noun, proper noun cannot be divided into countable, uncountable. Collective noun, there are some collective nouns which are used as singular and some are used as plural. And abstract noun is it has no shape and size, so it cannot be countable, uncountable. Most of the abstract nouns are uncountables. And material nouns, they are also uncountables. It means that only proper nouns can have countables or uncountables. And remaining 4 types of noun are, most of them are uncountables. Thank you for this much only in this video. If you think my English will improve yours, do subscribe my channel, do like, share and comment.